Hi, this is Marvin at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi, and today I'd like to talk with you about key steps to get your vehicle safe and ready for any Christmas road trips you may have planned. First, we have the joy of living in Wisconsin. In case you didn't notice, we get a lot of snow and ice, so you want to make sure that your tires have enough tread depth to drive safely on the roads on your trip. Next, you want to make sure that your lights are all in good working order so other people can see you on your trip. You want to make sure that your battery is in good working condition. There's plenty of cold cranking amps left to get you started on these nice, beautiful minus 20-degree days. We want to make sure that you have enough oil, that the coolant is at the correct level. We want to make sure that you know where your spare is and jack kit and how to use them just in case. You want to make sure that your brakes are in good condition, just in case the guy in front of you does that little slidey thing and you want to, be well behind him when he stops. And you also want to make sure that the belts and hoses are in good condition also, just to make sure you get to wherever you're heading to this Christmas. Thank you and have a happy holiday.